How to create 360-degree video rotation of any jewelry item from a single image. What you do, you load product video creator. Then you provide a single, this is store. Then you provide a single image like this. For example, this is the ring, meaning that back side that is not visible is exactly the same as the front side that you see here, right? So single image is enough. What you need to do, you click rotate 360, you select this type of movement, and that's it. Duration can be 5 or 10 seconds. No prompt, nothing. And then generate. After validation, it starts generating. And here it is. Perfect result. It rotates, it looks beautiful in one click. If you have item that has two different sides, let's say pendant, I'll show you how to do it, and let's do it with AI Studio. Same engine, just different interface. And let's say you have this pendant. This is the front, and the back side is completely different. You understand that there is no way to make a 360 rotation with one image like this. So what you do is you switch to scene creation. Ultra can do 4K. But anyway, let's do Pro 10 seconds. And this is the options that you need to check here. Second image is the back side of the subject. Alrighty. Once you do it, it immediately requires second image. And let's add this one. So it's a back side of this pendant. Rotate 360, even though it will be 180, not 360, as you can understand, because this is last frame, so it can only rotate half, but it's usually more than enough. Let's go. After validation, you see it's warning. It couldn't see that it says backside option is on, but the last frame doesn't appear to be reverse view of the same subject. Well, it is. It just couldn't see it. That's fine. It's a warning, so you can proceed. And it starts generating. We have our result, and it's 10 seconds, so it's kind of slow. If you want faster rotation, just choose 5 seconds on duration. But here you go, perfect rotation of something that couldn't be done from one frame, from one image. If you don't like Studio, exactly the same thing you can do on Video Suite, on either scene video generator or 2.0. This one can do up to 4K. This one, it's a different interface, but exactly the same thing. Once you choose second image's back side of the subject, it will work exactly the same way. You add in the image and voila, same thing. This is how you create perfect 360 videos from single or two photos using NeuroViz. Try it now. If you sign up, you will get 80 credits for free. It's good for you to try any of our applications.